With regards to what you will learn with the PLR Income Mastery Training Program, we'll start off with why you should create your own product. You will see why creating your own product or having your own product to sell is the best form of online business. Then from there we'll move on to what PLR products are all about. Now, even if you have never heard the word before, PLR, with this section of the training, everything relating to PLR will be divulged and totally dissected. Then we will now hop on to the types of PLR products that you can buy and you can have access to and you should be selling. Then from on there we'll see how to make money with PLR, and this is very, very important. You see how the different types of PLR can be packaged and you can use it to make money both online and offline. Then from there we'll move on to where you can get these PLR products, and this is very, very key. I will take you to different platforms where you can actually have access to white label products. We are looking at ebooks, we are looking at softwares, and we are looking at video trainings. You'll be able to have access to thousands upon thousands of PLR products that you can rebrand and totally repackage and repurpose to sell and use for your existing business as well. Then we are also going to look at what you should be checking, the things you should consider, the factors you should consider before even thinking of buying any kind of PLR product. Then from on there we'll see the secret of how you can make PLR actually work for you. You are going to see tips and tricks to make it work for you. Then we are also going to be looking at the changing of the product name, how you can effectively change the product name of your PLR, whether it's software, whether it's video trainings, or whether it is an ebook. Then the changing of the graphics generally, which is very, very important, and all these things they make your PLR to become totally new and unique. Then we are going to see how you can transcribe any audio or video content, which is very, very important. Say you have an audio or video PLR, you can transcribe it into an entirely different format. Then you also see how you can create presentations from audio or video, again totally changing the format of the PLR you have gotten, including the ones you already have access to as a result of buying into this training program. Then also creating presentations from PDFs, and then we are also from on there we'll see how you can create video trainings from PDFs. Then we also see how you can create PDFs from audio and videos. Now from on there we'll now pick up a particular PLR product, and you will see me repackage it and repurpose that particular PLR from A to Z, so you see exactly how it is being done. Then for lesson video 16, you'll be seeing how you can set up your WordPress and websites. Then from setting up the WordPress website, you can see how you set up your download and thank you pages. Then you will also see how you can set up a membership platform, very, very easy, using a free resource, free plugins included from the WordPress plugin repository. And also I'm going to give you access to a particular to some resources, getting them free, that you can use to make all these pages set up to be really, really pretty easy. Then from all there 19 you see funnel builder for PLR package that you are going to have access to, just as I promised. Then on the sales page you are going to get access to a funnel builder that you can use to set up your PLR funnel within a snap of the finger, and it is all done. There you are also going to see how you can convert HTML pages to WordPress, because your PLR packages that you are going to be getting from those places that has already been showcased to you, as well as the ones you got as a result of buying this training program. They have a lot of HTML pages. Now it is going to be like a little bit cumbersome or difficult for you to be uploading this and using FTP and uploading, but if you have a WordPress website already, you are going to see how you can easily convert these HTML pages to WordPress plugins. I think the value in this particular training and this software you are getting access to, it is very, very, very key and very, very valuable. And you are not going to be using this particular app software that I'm giving you just for PLR products. You are going to be using them, as you will come to discover, from many of your online business instances. Then from there we'll move on to uploading and delivering your PLR product or package, even if you don't have a website. Of course, I understand that many of you starting up online, you don't have the funds right now to build a website, get domain names and the likes. With this particular section of the training, you see how you can still start selling PLR products without a website at all. Then from on there, I will show you how you can password your download pages, how you can lock it up so that criminals and trolls and thieves will not be getting access to your download pages and downloading your product for free. Then from on there, you see how the PLR sales page can be crafted and how you can set it up, these marketing pages for selling your PLR products, how you can get it done very, very fast. And for this particular section of the training, I will be giving you access to a very, very hot app that will help you to do this, and not just for PLR product but for any kind of product, whether your own personal products, PL products, or affiliate products. This app is going to help you a whole lot. Then from all there, I will show you how to set up the right price range for your PLR product. And of course, the moment you know this, even for your own product, you'll be knowing how to set up the right price range. Then from on there, we'll see how you can set up the irresistible bundle, just like the one you are going through right now. And you see how you can set it up so that visitors and persons, the traffic coming to your sales page, to these pages, they will see the reason for picking up your PLR products. Then talking about art creatives and email copies for selling your PLR products, you are going to have access to a bunch of them. Then we are also going to be seeing how you can sell your PLR, of course, without a website. We'll be diving into details in here. Then finally, I will show you how to sell your PLR package on the Meta platform, talking about Facebook. You see 3 hot methods that are guaranteed to bring solid sales. So this is the course outline for this particular training program. So thank you and God bless. When we come on next, I'm going to be diving straight into the part 1 of the training, where you get to understand what PLR is all about and the power it comes with. Again, thank you and God bless. See you in the next tutorial.